Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Nora.
And my name is Francie. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Panthers, do you need to take the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery Test? The ASVAB will be given this Thursday, November 9th in the auditorium from 8:45 a.m. to 11:45 a.m.
The Media Center even has ASVAB test prep books for you to check out.
To sign up, use the link in the sophomore, junior, or senior Google Classroom or go to the Google Forms shown here.
An announcement from our guidance department. They will be sponsoring a lunch bunch game time during lunches.
For more information, see the counselor at lunch.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!